Today we are going to see an odd degree equation with a like sign. Okay, here the degree of the equation is 5 because highest power of x is 5 and the first term and the last term coefficient has the same sign. Plus 6, this is also plus 6 and the coefficient of x power 4 is plus 1, coefficient of x is plus 1. Both are same sign with the same coefficient. Minus 43, here minus 43. Therefore, it is an odd degree equation with the like sign. Therefore, minus 1 is a root. If it is an odd degree with the unlike sign, plus 1 is a root. It is an odd degree equation with the like sign, therefore minus 1 is a root. Let us solve by synthetic division. Write the coefficient of x power 5, that is 6. Coefficient of x power 4, 1. Coefficient of x cube, minus 43. Coefficient of x square, minus 43. Coefficient of x, 1. Constant term, 6. Write with the sign. Okay, already we know that minus 1 is a row. Write minus 1 here. In the second row, we must start with 0. Now, add the vertical number 6 plus 0, 6. Cross multiply minus 1 and 6, that is minus 6. Add 1 minus 6, minus 5. Minus 1 into minus 5, plus 5. Add the number minus 43 plus 5, minus 38. Minus 1 into minus 38, plus 38. Minus 43 plus 38, minus 5. Minus 1 into minus 5, plus 5. 1 plus 5, 6. Minus 1 into plus 6, minus 6. Add the number 6 minus 6 is 0. If the last term is 0, then only minus 1 is a root. What is the quotient of an equation? Quotient is, the given equation is a 5th degree equation. Therefore, coefficient start with x power 4. 6x power 4. Here minus 5 x cube. Next minus 38 x square minus 5x. The last term is plus 6, which is a quotient of a 5th degree equation. Look at this equation. This is a 4th degree reciprocal equation because highest power of x is 4. Comparing the coefficient of first and last, both are equal. Comparing the coefficient of x cube and x, that is both are minus 5. Middle term is left out. Therefore, this is a 4th degree reciprocal equation. If it is 4th degree equation, we have to divide by x square. Okay, 6x power 4 divided by x square minus 5x power 3 divided by x square minus 38x square divided by x square minus 5x divided by x square plus 6 divided by x square, which is equal to 0. X power 4 by x square is x square, that is 6x square. If it is division, we are going to subtract the power. 4 minus 2 is 2. Next 3 minus 2 is 1, that is x power 1 is x. X square cancel, we get minus 38. Here 1x and 1x cancel, we are having 1x in the denominator, minus 5 by x. We cannot cancel 6 and x square, therefore write as it is. Next, grouping the x square term, first term and last term, and second and previous of the last. Taking 6 outside in the first and last term, we get 6 into x square plus 1 by x square. Next, minus 5 outside, the remaining is x plus 1 by x. minus 38, write as it is because no power for minus 38. We know the substitution. It is a fourth degree reciprocal equation. Therefore, x plus 1 by x equal to, take some variable either t or u or some other variable. If x plus 1 by x equal to t, then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to t square minus 2. That we substitute in this equation. 6 into x square plus 1 by x square is t square minus 2 minus 5 into x plus 1 by x is t minus 38 is equal to 0. Multiply 6 into t square, 6t square, 6 2s are 12 minus 5t minus 38 is equal to 0. Again 6t square minus 5t, these two are like term, minus 12 minus 38 is minus 50. We are going to solve the t value. This is a quadratic in t. Coefficient of t square is 6 and the constant term is minus 50. 6 into minus 50 will give minus 300. We are going to find the two number. When you multiply the two number, you have to get minus 300. Adding the two number, we must get minus 5. Okay, what are the two numbers? Minus 20 and plus 15. Minus 20 into 15 is minus 300. Minus 20 plus 15 is minus 5. Here coefficient of t square is 6, therefore divided by 6. We can cancel 20 and 6 by 2 table. Cancel by 3 table, 2 times, this is 5 times. The denominator multiplied by t, we get 3t minus 10. One factor is 3t minus 10. The other factor is multiply t with the denominator 2t plus 5. Equating each factor to 0, 3t minus 10 equal to 0 and 2t plus 5 equal to 0. Minus 10 goes to this side, plus 10, t equal to 10 by 3. Here 2t equal to minus 5, t equal to minus 5 by 2. There are two values of t, but we are going to find x value. What is t value? T is nothing but x plus 1 by x, which is equal to 10 by 3. I am substituting t value here. T is nothing but x plus 1 by x. There is no denominator, therefore I am writing 1. Taking the LCM of 1 and x, that is x is the LCM. There is no x in the denominator, therefore multiply and divide by x. I get x into x, x square. LCM and the denominator are equal. Write the numerator as it is. Both are denominator, fraction term, therefore we cross multiply. 3 into x square, 3x square. 3 ones are 3. 10 into x, 10x. Bring all the term to left hand side. 3x square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. I am going to factorize this quadratic equation, which is a quadratic in x. Coefficient of x square is 3. 3 into 3, 9. When you multiply the two terms, we are going to get 9. And adding that, we are going to get the coefficient of x, that is minus 10. What are the two numbers? Minus 9 and minus 1. Multiplying this, we get plus 9. Adding that, we get minus 10. Here coefficient of x square is 3. Therefore divided by 3. Okay. We can cancel by 3 table. This is 1 time, 3 time. 1 by 3 I cannot cancel, leave it as it is. The denominator is 1. Multiply by x. X into 1, x. Numerator is minus 3. Therefore the factors are x minus 3. The denominator is 3. 3 into x, 3x. Numerator is minus 1. Therefore, equating this factor to 0, we get x equal to 3. Equating this factor to 0, 3x minus 1 equal to 0 will give 3x equal to 1 and x equal to 1 by 3. We found the two values of x. The given equation is in 5th degree equation. We are going to find other roots. Okay. Next, here t value is minus 5 by 2. Actually, what is our t? T is nothing but x plus 1 by x equal to minus 5 by 2. Nothing in the denominator. We consider the denominator as 1. Taking the LCM of 1 and x, that is x. Therefore, x square plus 1 equal to minus 5 by 2. Both are fraction. Therefore, cross multiply. 2 into x square, 2x square, 2 ones are 2, which is equal to minus 5 into x minus 5x. Bring to this side, 2x square plus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. This is a quadratic in x square. Coefficient of x square is 2. 2 into 2, that is 4. When you multiply the two terms, you should get plus 2. Adding that, we get plus 5. The numbers are 4 and 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1 give the middle term of x. That is 5. Divided by the coefficient of x square, that is 2. Cancel by 2 table. This is 1 time, this is 2 time. We cannot cancel 1 and 2. Leave it as it is. The denominator multiplied by x. 1 into x, x. The numerator is plus 2. Next, the denominator is 2 here. 2 into x, 2x. Numerator is plus 1. Equating to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0. Give x equal to minus 2. 2x plus 1 equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 1 by 2. Totally we got 4 roots. The first step we found minus 1 as the root. Therefore, roots are, or solution of the given equation are minus 1, 3, 1 by 3, minus 2, minus 1 by 2. It's a 5th degree equation. Therefore, we found the 5 roots.